Hello everyone, my name is Karen. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy to have you here with me. I can't wait to share my latest journal spread with you. I'm really in love with all of the colours and the combinations that I used in this one. Before I let you go to the tutorial, I would love it if you would click on the description box below. Make sure that you find the details for my free online mixed media class. Explore the dark side with me as we play with black. I know that you're going to love it and we'll create an amazing journal spread together. So without further ado, let's get on with the tutorial. So I'm just starting off by throwing down some lovely yellow here, and I'm going to get my fingers super messy with this gorgeous fluorescent pink. If I could marry a colour, I think I probably would marry this one. I really love it. I love to put down finger paints when I'm working in my journals. I find it just gets me out of my own head, stops me being so perfect, and just really gets some gorgeous random marks down. So I definitely recommend it next time you're trying out one of your journal spreads. So I'm just putting on some gesso here with my catalyst tool to just throw everything into the background a little bit. Some of the colours were standing out a little bit too much, and the white gesso just helps dampen things down and just create a really much more unified look. So this is the open leaf stencil from Stencil Girl. It's designed by Ray Missigman. It's one of my favourites, and I'm just using my pink fingers here and some Payne's grey paint to throw it on. I couldn't actually find my cosmetic sponges when I went to go look for them, so my finger will do in this kind of a situation. So I'm just going back in here with some more gesso and my paintbrush, and I'm just using it to really highlight the areas where I've got this lovely Payne's grey stencil in. I just wanted to make it pop out even more and just push the other stuff back into the background a little bit more. So trying to put some kind of a dent into my massive washi tape collection, I'm just adding a few bits here and there to just create a random pattern on the page, just to break things up a little bit more, give it a little bit more interest. I'm now going in with another Payne's grey, and this is the Winsor & Newton watercolour markers. These are gorgeous markers here, and you can see that the lines are quite strong here, but in a moment now, there you see, I've gone in with my paintbrush. It's just wet, it's just got water on it, nothing else, and it's just really softened up all of those marks. I love to use the watercolour markers like this. It gives you a really nice interest because not only do you get the bleeding with the colour of the water and everything in there, you can still see your lines, so it gives you a really gorgeous effect. So I'm just going back in with some more of the fluorescent pink because, well, just because really, and I wanted to highlight these circles. I felt that they weren't quite as popping as I liked, and just adding in these few extra bits of details with the pink fluorescent really changed that. So I'm just going in here with my mechanical pencil and just scribbling in some journaling just to break up the page and just to add in a few of my thoughts, things that were going through my mind when I was making the journal page. I'm deliberately making it really messy so that you can't really see it. I know what's there, or at least know the gist of the feeling that was there, but I don't necessarily want all of my journaling on display for everyone to see. So this is a great way. Just make your handwriting super messy, super loopy, just really exaggerate all of your downward strokes as well, and just blend one line into another. It's a really great technique. So fingers here again, I just felt that there was a little bit of colour lacking in this perhaps, so I popped on some gold gouache, and I also went back and got the yellow that I started with and just added in some more just to make the page pop a little bit. So my fingers were super messy by the end of this journal page, but I really enjoyed using my fingers. So I definitely recommend next time you want to have a bit of fun in your journal, just take out your fingers, take out your paints and get messy.